As of January 31st, 2024, Quaker Oats has added to its previous recall. They have added an additional granola bar to their recall. Now, this granola bar was actually discontinued in September of 2023. However, it has a best before date or dates of February 10th and February 11th of 2024. So you may have these in your pantry, and if so, you will need to check because although it was discontinued, it had been previously sold, and until the store sold out before the recall was ever announced, you could have purchased this granola bar. If you want to stay up to date and informed on these recalls, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn that notification bell to all. And I will always ask you to share these out because if you didn't buy it, someone you know may have or may have this in their pantry. Now, the name of this particular granola bar that they are now adding to their list of other granola bars is called Quaker Chewy Dips Llama Rama bars. And this is what they look like. If you have these bars, please either return them or discard them. Now, just like before, these bars are being recalled due to the possibility of salmonella contamination. I will put the information about this bar, as always, down in the pinned comments. If you are watching this video from another platform, it is in the first pinned comment on the YouTube video. Okay, today is February 2nd, 2024.